It was a Sunday. Harish was playing in the park with his friends. There was a pond nearby. Harish wanted to swim. He jumped into the pond with a splash. At the other end of the pond, there were a few ducks in the water. Harish swam happily, enjoying the mild sun and the cold water. Suddenly, he heard a loud noise and the water splashed. He looked all around to see if someone had dived into the pond. He could see no one. It was a Sunday. Harish was playing in the park with his friends. So, Harish, on Sunday, he is playing in a park with all of his friends. There was a pond nearby. So, in the park, there was a pond. Pond means a lake or pool or lake nearby. Harish wanted to swim. He jumped into the pond and with a splash. Splash means um, the spread of water when he jumped into the pond. So that's what we call splash. At the other end of the pond, there were a few ducks in the water. See, along with him, there were ducks also, few ducks in the water. Harish swam happily, enjoying the mild sun and the cold water. So, mild sun, very warm sun, very warm, very gentle, or very light sunrise, and the cold water. Suddenly, he heard a loud noise. So, noise means sound, a loud sound, and the water splashed as if someone jumped into the water, someone dived into the water. He looked all around to see if someone had dived into the water. So, as if I said, he also thought the same and he looked all around. All around means every side. He looked every side whether anyone jumped into the water, but he could see no one. Means it was unable him to see that anyone jumped into the water, so he could see no one. So this question was asked in the year 2022. Okay, now let's go to the questions. Harish was playing in the park with his brothers, class fellows, friends, or team. He was playing in the park with his friends. The second one, he jumped into the pond to swim, to catch fish, to chase the ducks, to have a bath. So why he jumped? Because he jumped into the pond to swim. Option A. And the third question. The weather was dash. Very hot, just warm, very cold, cool with rain. So how was the weather? It was very light sun, right? So very cooling sun or very mild sun. So that's why we can take it as just warm. The weather was just warm. The fourth one, who else was there in the pond? In the pond. Okay, so who else was there along with Harish? A few ducks, two boys, Harish friends, fishermen who were there in the ponds with him. So it is a few ducks, option A. And the last question. The word dived means same as slipped, fell, jumped, climbed. So dive means it is jumped into the water. That's what. So children, study well these passages.